growing up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran do that shit, yikes.
Hey guys, so what a day to be alive, finally a video about Google. And this video is going to be about their latecomer of 2018, the Pixel 3. We all know how Google sold their soul to the devil but gave their ass to Apple. They made fun of them when they removed the headphone jack but later on removed that on their own phone. First they make fun of you, then they join you. Because of that, a lot of people think that this year will be the same. With the iPhone 10, Apple introduced the notch to this tech world that everyone is copying these days, so it's most likely that Google will implement the notch as well, but seems like that may not be the case because what we're looking at right now may very well be the new design of the upcoming Google Pixel 3. So this is coming from the actual software, the Android P preview itself. The feature representation phone looks a lot like the Google Pixel 2 XL but with much smaller bezels overall. And it's actually quite impressive. We have a edge-to-edge display with no notch and no chin. Thin short bezels overall, making it a very appealing design. You can tell that it's a Google Pixel phone since we got the volume and the power keys on the right. The phone will have front-firing stereo speakers, so I don't think that the bezels will be quite as thin, but who knows, they might sacrifice the front-firing speakers for thinner bezels and shift the secondary speaker to the bottom of the phone. In my opinion, that's not a bad move if in return we are getting this awesome design look. So if Google pulls this off, then this is going to be a serious contender. If you look at the past, a lot of times the software visual leaks have shown the true design. We found the notch design in Apple's iOS 11 leak. Same goes for Samsung, and it might be true for Google as well. So Pixel 3, gotta say the best part is not having the notch. I guess Google realized that everyone is copying it these days to the extent that it has gone to an annoying stage where every phone you buy looks the same. That's why they're going to stick to their plan and do their own thing. Props to Google for that. Again, we have to wait for more leaks to come. Meanwhile, we have this wonderful render by our very own Ben Gaskin. It looks stunning combined with that Android B. Last year's Pixel 2 still has the best camera overall. Even in 2018, the Pixel 2 rocks, but it's not quite as good in sales compared to Samsung or Apple. For me, the design wasn't that premium and the display is just bad compared to Samsung or Apple. This year, things might change with the Pixel 3, a better no-notch OLED display with amazing thin bezels and amazing screen-to-body ratio. Also, Google and LG has made something incredible. They made an OLED display that has a 1443 ppi and a 120Hz refresh rate. This 4.3-inch 4800 by 3840 prototype panel is the world's highest resolution OLED on-glass display. It's for the VR experience. But man, if they can somehow manage to use this technology for Pixel 3, then it's going to be game over. OLED and 120Hz refresh rate is a dream, but right now it's probably not gonna happen. Still, LG and Google are collaborating. They're doing some great stuff. It definitely means that on the Pixel 3 we will see an LG made OLED panel. Hopefully this time they will do a better job than what they did for the Pixel 2 XL. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content and let me know your thoughts about the upcoming Pixel 3 design that we have here. Are you excited? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.